So okay, let me show you all the thumbnails that I used. Or actually no, let me go to a next what is it called, a next thumbnail. I mean, where was I used I show you Pixar. There's super, what is it called, super Impose. I don't know if I'm saying that. I'm gonna correct myself. So this is when I use Photoshop, and then I added the camera. The camera I cannot find, so let me just add this one that I just did right now. You can customize it to 16, but if you do, it's gonna cut out, so obviously you do that. Now let's go back because it messed up, and you press yes. And then the camera, so this is the free trial. Obviously this one, the Spearmint, whatever it's called, you can buy it. I don't know how much it is. The thing popped up. We're gonna see. I want to add a photo. So you, I think you you press here to add a photo. No, photo layer, that's what you do. I want to go to albums, so I want to add a next photo. You press that photo layer. Where's my actual album? You go here, recent. Where are my photos? There we go. You press that, and then obviously you move this over because you just don't want it there. Hold on for a second, y'all. There. And then you press blend, and then you press screen, and then I don't know, oh, this one you press transform. You could always fix it. Wait, it was already on there. Hold on. Transform here. Obviously I didn't do the picture properly, but it looks obviously something like this. So once I close this, how do I close this? Okay, go to layers. I'm gonna close this. That's how you close it. And then obviously it's gonna look something like this. So let me show you with a picture. Let me show you with this picture. Okay, let me go to YouTube itself. Where's YouTube? There we go. There we go. So again, this is a free version. So if you want to add this special effect, there's another app you could do. You go to transform, you zoom all, okay, obviously we're gonna take this away because I can't see. And then I don't know how to get it to make it, oh, there we go. I'm a little rusty because I haven't used this app in a long time, okay? So y'all don't make fun of me. And then you go to layers and you press blend, and then you press screen, and then there you have it. And then let's go to transform again because I don't know why I look funny like that. And then there you go. There you have it. That's how you get that special effect with the thing. Now to make it bend like how all the other creators are doing it, you press somewhere, but you gotta pay for that. So let's just go. I don't even know how to get the bend. Somebody showed me. There we go. It says blend. No, I'm like, wait, there we go. Somebody showed me. I was watching a video of how to bend it, but hold on, let's see. That picture is gone, so we're just gonna use one of my old ones that I have right here. So I go to editor, I press distort, and I press the bump, and then I zoom in or whatever, and I just make that like that. That's how you get that effect. But obviously it's not gonna work because it's saying you have to pay. So monthly you pay $2.79. For a year you pay $14.49. or you can pay the one-time purchase fee, which is $27.99. I don't know if that's the States money or the Canadian money. And then you could just do that. Yeah, okay, that's it. And then I gotta show you, I just remembered, I gotta show you which app did I use. So that's another app that I use, Polish. So Polish, I just seen it. This app is to polish your photo. So like, let's say, so effects, see how all this paste stuff, you could add that to it, but we ain't doing that. So you could crop it, but why would you do that? Filter, you can make it bright. Draw, oh, I like this one. You can make a glitchy. Yeah, but we ain't doing that. You can adjust it. No, and then, okay, I'm gonna add that. You can put effect. Oh, I already showed you that. Okay, you can cut out. So already cut out the background. So that's what I do sometimes. If all the other apps don't work, I use it to cut out the other background. Wait. Okay. Yeah, and then I don't know what. Okay. And then you could add a border to it. Ooh. Ooh, you could add that, or you could add this little thing that you see everybody do, or you could just add this thing, but I think I want to go with that one. Ooh, no, I want to go with this one. And then you could save it. You could fit, meaning make it the YouTube size. This is YouTube cover. Click, and then that's it. You could add your own sticker, haha, or whatever, right there. I didn't even know you could do that, to be honest. You can blend it with what, the background. Oh Jesus. Or you could add screen. Let me choose a nice background. We're gonna use this again, I don't care. Okay, yeah, I hear you. But yeah, I don't need that, but you get what I'm saying. And then yeah, that's the app that I use. So Polish, for Polish, I don't even know which photo I did that for, to be honest. There's Thumbnail Maker. That one is too plain. A lot of people say get it, but to be honest, I don't like it because it doesn't get you what you want. You know what I'm saying? What do you mean according to YouTube the size? Okay, I know I put the wrong one. Damn. So you could choose right here the makeup. It gives you free ones. So like, let's say I want to do a makeup. It's already in here. I can change it if I want, the text, and I could put Jay's World. Jay's World, and that's already done for you. You could add your own stuff, but I don't want the app. Ooh, I use this one too. This is Pixafari. I don't remember which thumbnail I did it before, but I used it. So this is what I do sometimes when I can't get it the right size. I go here and then I change the background to black. And then I add my meme, meaning like the text. So I'm gonna say hi again, and then I add it there, and then that's it. You could do a quick text, but we ain't doing that because it's like Instagram thing, but no. You could add a watermark. The watermark is my name right there, as you guys can see. And then you could add a text. So I already showed you guys that. You could exit out. You could add a sticker, or you could add your own, which is right here. You could customize it, so meaning this could be a sticker, and then you could cut it out or whatever. And then you can press apply. Oh, it doesn't work. I don't know. I customized mine, but I don't remember how exactly I did it, but you could customize it. And then yeah, you could erase the background. It automatically erases the background for you, as you guys see. Or you could erase it yourself and do it yourself like this, you know what I'm saying? But we ain't doing that. Oh yeah, oh, Fonto. Let me show you Fonto. Fonto's the last one that I use for my thumbnails, my saved projects. So you could save project. I did my banner on there. Comment down below if you want to see a tutorial on how I did my banner on Fonto, and I could show y'all. So I did this on there, as you guys seen. So I took the background, I did everything that I did on what you gonna call it, on what is it called, PicsArt, and then I added it. So I found a new way of doing the words. So you press font, I believe, and then you press this one. That's the one that I downloaded. I'm gonna show y'all again. It's called Burbunk. Yeah, I used that. Okay, the style, you press style, and then you press color thingy right here or whatever. Horizontal is not horizontal. You're supposed to press vertical. I don't know, I learned it from online thingy. And then here you press something so it changes, and then you press apply, and then you could stroke it if you want. And then background, no, we ain't doing background. There was something else here too. And then you press style, and then you can change this to make it bigger. See how it just da 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 da. And then the size, you can just make it bigger for you. So I don't know how they got that 3D style. Damn, I don't remember. Where's the horizontal? No, it definitely isn't horizontal. Okay, hold on, y'all. Gotta crack my brain and remember their style. Nah, that's probably why. Okay, let me redo this whole. Let's just put J's like that. I don't care. The font, I already got it done. The style, the text. It says horizontal. It's supposed to be vertical, I believe. Is it? No, I think it's vertical. So 1, 2, 3 white. Oh, and then you add it on here. So this, you know what I used to do? I used to go crazy and not get it again. You could duplicate this in order for it to be the 3D color right there. Right there. That's how they do their 3D, the new 3D thing. So this one right here, I can duplicate it again. And then I'm going to move it up here because y'all are going to be like, I can't see. There's your 3D for you, and there we go. So that's what I use to do my thumbnails. So right now I'm just going to show y'all all the thumbnails that I used, and then I'm going to put, what is it called? I'm going to put which app I used for it. Okay? So take it in. video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little quick tutorial. It might be a 2-part video. I'm sorry, but I had to get through it. And I hope you like the thumbnails that I did. I see that I improved. Like, there were some parts where I messed up and I didn't do it properly, but I improved. I have come so far. Y'all comment down below and tell me which thumbnails you guys like the best. If you guys like the apps thumbnail that I did, or you guys just like the, what is it called, the Photoshop, the one that I use. To be honest with you, I love the app one, but like my hands are hurting me, so I can't really use the apps no more, because it's like you're on your phone 24/7, and then my phone burns, and then I need my phone to do stuff. It just, you know what I'm saying, like I'm just in a rush when I do it on my phone. But when I use Photoshop, it's like quick. I come up with stuff quickly, and I like the outline and everything. But yeah, I really hope this helps one of you guys who are watching this video. And yeah, I'm gonna do other videos for you. I have other videos coming up. You're gonna be surprised with the videos I'm gonna do. Like, yo. But yeah, this was a video long overdue, and this was a requested video, but like I was coming up with it, but like I have to do the VidCon, the Tory Lanez thing, so finally I'm able to do this video. But yeah, I'm just talking. You guys know I like to talk, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, do all that jazz, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.